Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to do an unboxing and first impression look of the new OpenRock X headphones. If you're interested in something like that, stay tuned. All right, I snagged these guys because these things are on sale right now. So if you are interested in something like this after this video, make sure you click the link down in the description. I'll take you right to these. And I've reviewed a few of their products in the past. Really love them. And this is something unique. So I'm going to do an unboxing and give you my first impression. I'm going to test it a little bit, let you know what I think about it. So let's go ahead and do it. Let's go ahead and do the unboxing. It's got a nice little strap right here. So just open that right up and opens up. And the box itself is pretty cool the way they packaged it here. It's got a nice little display right there. On the top, you've got a little ring, and then right here, you have a little box that you can pull out, which I imagine probably has cords. So here is the headphones themselves. First impression, this is like an aluminum alloy case. This is metal. I kind of like that. It's got a little weight to it, which is a good thing. That means it's quality. So let's open it up, see what it looks like. Oh, I see. So you push it in. So this is, again, first impression, guys. First for me. You press it in, and it releases. That's pretty cool. So if you bought these and didn't know, and you started yanking on it, it's probably good that you watch videos. But it does say push. So I went ahead and pushed it. And then if you push it back in, you show it's charging, right? There's a little green light. But just push it, release it, and there you go. That's what it looks like. Pretty cool. It's got a little hook right here, which I imagine probably is for this ring. It comes with a little ring, so you can have like a little, you can hook it up to your backpack or whatever you want to hook it up to. Kind of a cool thing. And then over here, you've got some cords. Let's take a look at these. A little manual as well in here. Again, this is just the unboxing portion. We'll be doing a full review on this today because I'm curious. I want to see how good these things are. So yeah, there's a little manual in here. It's a little bit wedged in there pretty good. And then the cord. So it's got like a yellow cord with a white little plug-in. It's kind of cool. That's a USB-C, so it should be a rapid charge. On their website, it actually said that for 5 minutes of charge, you can get 1 hour of use out of it, which is pretty impressive. So I think it's like a 12-hour of constant use, and you can charge it up to 4 times with this. Kind of neat case that it has. I really, really like this. So my first impression is thumbs up on this. Really neat. It looks like you can charge them separately, or you can charge them in the case right here, right on the side there. There's a little port, just plugs right into your wall outlet. Pretty cool little setup. Nice little aluminum case here. But I guess the true test is the sound quality. Whenever I'm looking at headphones, there's a few things I always look at, guys. There's 3 things, really. There's sound quality. For me is number 1. I want the quality of sound to be ideal. I want it to be the best, especially for the type of music I like to listen to. So sound quality is number 1. And then kind of the style of it is a big thing for me, and functionality. Price point obviously is a big one as well. So there's 3 things right there. But these things are not the least expensive. I think these come in at about $150 or something like that last time I checked on their website. But quality, guys. So there's a few different types of headphones that I use. So if I'm mowing my lawn, I want the over-ear ones because I want complete noise canceling. These things I would definitely use on my bikes when I'm riding bikes, because I can't imagine using those big old headphones when I'm out there riding. You want something sporty, you want something comfortable. It looks like these are very comfortable, so I'm going to put them on here and test them, and then test the quality. But you want something comfortable. So for me, I want something comfortable riding bikes. When it comes to home audio, so if I'm connecting these to like a Fire TV stick, these are Bluetooth, so you can do that. But what I like for home theater, it can vary. It could be either the overhead or these if they're good enough. And I haven't found a pair that were good enough. And I'm hoping that these are, because that's really what I want. I want to be able to listen to it and not have these big things over my ears watching movies. And plus, those big ones tend to drain a little bit faster. These have a longer battery life, like 12 hours on this thing. So that for me is big. So if the quality is good, that's important. Also, when I'm home and I wear those over-ear ones, I can't hear anything else around me, and I do like to be able to hear other things around me as well. Now, I know these have apparently have a noise canceling feature, but it's not going to be anything like the over-ear. So I'm curious to test that out as well. So let me go ahead and just put them on and connect them to my phone. I do know that they have a phone app, which I have not yet downloaded, where I can adjust the sound based on what I'm doing. So if I'm watching home theater, I would do more of a theater sound. And if I'm riding my bike, I would do more of an activity sound. And you can set the EQ right on your app on your phone, which is pretty cool. Haven't done that, so I'm not going to get the full experience on that. But this is what they look like right here. It looks like it's adjustable this way and this way. Can you guys see that in the camera okay? Adjustable this way and this way. So it should fit just about everybody. So this one would be for my right ear. Ooh, it's got a nice fit. Okay. And then this one would be for my, obviously for my left ear. So let's see how they fit. Fit is important. All right, well, they fit pretty good. They're a little bit loose in here. Let me just tighten them up a little bit. I've used a lot of bone conduction headphones and open ear headphones in the past, and comfort is really important. Okay. All right, well, let me listen to some music here. I know it's hard for you to tell on your end what it sounds like, but I'm just curious. All right. It's actually pretty good. I'm probably yelling. It's actually pretty good, guys. It has a pretty good sound. I just listened for a couple seconds. Ease of connectivity, it automatically connected via Bluetooth, which is nice. It is Bluetooth 5.3. Again, it has up to a 12-hour battery life. But I do, and this is kind of a cool thing, man. This case is really, really cool. I have to get used to it, but it's pretty darn cool. And I've used some of their others where the top kind of opens and you open it this way. This is small enough that you could just put this in your pocket pretty easily. I really like this company, and like I said, I've checked out some of their other headphones in the past and been incredibly impressed, but I've never seen that where it just push in, release. Pretty cool little thing, guys. So again, this is an unboxing and first impression video. If you guys want to see more of an in-depth one where I actually test all of the app out and all of the qualities of this, let me know down in the comment section of this video. I just quickly wanted to take a look at it because I just got it. I was really excited about it, and I thought you guys might be interested in it as well. I probably won't use this, although it's kind of a cool thing, but just, I guess it depends on what you're going to use it for. If I wanted to like attach it to my bike, it has a little hook right here. See that? It just kind of slides in. It was that easy to put on. So yeah, if you wanted to hook it on your bike or something, or maybe on your belt, that's an option, or a backpack, which is kind of neat, but I'm probably going to just put it in my pocket personally. And the charging cord here, standard cord. You could probably use any cord that you already have. Nothing special about this cord. There is no block to charge this, so you will need your own block or strip that has a USB, because it doesn't have it. I will say this is a pretty short cord. I would have liked to have seen maybe a little bit longer cord included, so you can get some on Amazon. I think I got a 10-pack of longer cords for next to nothing. I do like longer cords personally, but that's just me. This is a first impression of the OpenRock X unboxing. First impression. Well, let me know what your impression of it is. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks again, everybody. Bye. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, do us a favor, just hit that thumbs up right down below this video. Share this video with those that you think would like this as well, and don't forget to subscribe. We have tons of videos on this channel just like this, so make sure you check those out as well. Thanks again, everybody. Bye.